Je m'appelle baby, someone Joe Malosa, Malosa. If you don't get money, alone, Momasa, Momasa. Ijo Dijo, Pakurumo, the wicked producer, like in the mall. Timati Deo, Procodomo, Bebe Di Alaja, Umbono Yama, Sherio, Bekele Ma, Sherio, Mumini Bedio, 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 Oyama, Sherio.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining back on my YouTube channel. If today is your first time seeing me, my name is Tijani, but you can just call me JT. If today is your first time seeing my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell button so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. I hope you guys are not bored yet with me using just this one palette in my last few tutorials. I am still very much in love and very hyped about it, so I'm gonna keep using it until I get tired of it, or maybe I'll just stop recording with it. But since the day I opened this, I have been using it since that day. I'm just using the Benefit Precisely My Brow, and this is a shade 3, and this shade is 3.75, and I'm just using that to lightly fill in my brows. Now I'm just taking the LA Pro Conceal and I'm using that to clean up. I already prepped my eyes using the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Room of 4. Now I'll be taking the Jackie Aina's palette. And the first shade I'll be taking is Ginger. Now I'll be taking the shade Edges, and I'll be placing edges a little bit below where I place Ginger. But I'm also making sure I'm blending those two colors into each other. Taking Credits. The way this is looking right now, I'm tempted to do an halo eye, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just gonna keep doing what I wanted to do. Now I'm just going back into the brush I used to apply edges. I picked up a little bit of more edges and I'm just using that to blend Credits, edges, and Ginger, oh Ginger. Then for my lid color, I'll be taking Credits. I'm then gonna take a little bit more of Credit. Now I'm just blending out. So chocolatey, so chocolate, so rich. Jesus. You guys know I always say this, especially on my IG. If your favorite palette cannot create a smoky eyes, any type of smoky eyes, throw it in the trash. I love when I can create a smoky eyes. I love when I can create a dramatic eyes, a neutral eyes, a colorful eyes with one single palette. I love if I have crease colors, if I can darken my eyeshadow with one single palette. Like, I just hope you guys are feeling what I'm feeling with these palettes. I've already prepped my face for foundation. For foundation today, I'll be trying the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Ultra Definition Liquid Makeup. I do not like when foundation have long names or when products have long names, period. Like, why? This foundation is extremely runny. This will be my first time trying out this foundation. This is not a foundation review. I just thought to try it out. It is very liquidy. For my under eye concealer, I'll be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. This is the shade Dark Golden. This is a really nice concealer. As I'm applying it, I can tell it's a full coverage. However, I can feel that it's going to be a very drying concealer, so I'm going to just add a little bit of the Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer on top of it, and this is the shade 13. I'm so glad I added the Juvia's Place concealer on top of this, because that concealer is very hard to blend. Like it's almost like the moment I place it on, it's dry, like it's done. So now I know even if I'm to use that concealer on its own, I would place it and blend right away. I'm going to set my under eyes using the Sacha Buttercup. Taking a pencil brush, I'll be taking the shade Credit. I'm going to make sure to tap off the excess and then smudge it in my bottom lash line. Now I'll be taking the shade Edges. For blush, I'll be taking Edges. Now I'll be taking the shade Soleil. So like I'm saying Soleil. I'm taking the shade Soleil. I'm not sure if I want to wet it, so let me just try it first. And I'm just gonna tap it in my tear duct. I'm going to take a bit more of Soleil, and Soleil is also going to be our highlight shade. I'm going to line my lips with MAC Chestnut. For lip color, I'll be taking Lashes by Lina Aziz. Alright dolls, we've gotten to the end of the tutorial. This is the finished look. What do you guys think about this look? Like, whoo! I am feeling myself. Do you guys see how I'm staring at my eyes? Do you guys see how I'm staring at myself? I am just in love with this Jackie Aina's palette. Like, I honestly feel like Credit should have been called Trust Issues, because Credit in the pan, let me show you. In the pan, it looks just like a, you know, regular brown shadow, but this is one of those browns that once you apply it, it looks darker. Like I can see the black in the brown. I don't know how that's possible, but I can see the brown, but I can see the black in the brown. This is the main reason why we have trust issues, because of Credit. I really love how everything came together. I do hope you guys enjoy this. I do hope you guys like it. So far, I've recorded myself using this palette 4 times. I'm going to do a collage of all 4 looks that I recorded, and I'll be posting it on my Instagram. I want you guys to go on there and tell me which one is your favorite look. I think right now I feel like this is my favorite look, and I think I'm being biased because you guys know I love smoky eyes. So, but I do want to know you guys' favorite out of all four. Oof, I gotta drink water. I feel dehydrated. I do hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching as always, dolls, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.